Alright, so today I'm going to give a quick run through of my printed circuit board sprayer machine. I'm going to start off in the back of it where you can see we have two drains, the water drain and the etchant drain. And on the far right side we have the pump return, which will return the etchant solution to the pump when we're actually pumping. You can see it's made almost completely of PVC pipe with two hose bar adapters on the end of each line. Up here we have the three lines that connect the sprayers to the pump. And down here we have the line that will connect the water to the cleaning tank. Up front you can see we have the heater in place, the spray heads and the drains in the back. See the two separate sides of the tank. Looking down inside the tank you can see we have the pump, the electrical box which makes all the connections, and the solenoid valves, and on top you can see the control panel. The solenoid valves are at the bottom, looking at the pump, an RV pump. Going around front we have the control panel, which controls the whole function of the tank. And you can see the different switches we have, the timer thermometer section, and that will pretty much allow you to have complete control over it when you're actually setting it up. Give you a quick demonstration. We'll turn on the timer, demonstrate how that works. So you press the minute button, adjust that obviously, and the hour button, I don't think you'll be needing that, but click start stop, that'll do that. And then now I'm clicking the temperature down button, which will set the temperature, for the thermometer, and it'll start blinking and flashing when it goes above that. A useful tool when you want to monitor the actual temperature. Going back around to the box again, you can see we have the water alarm here, which will sound a siren if there's any water detected inside of it. Probe I set up on the outtake of the pump, which is where it's most likely to leak, and then when those two contacts are crossed it'll play a chiming sound alerting you that there's water and you should probably turn off the power. See the back of the box there? Now I'll go around and take a look at the tank itself. See the heater and the probe on the bottom of the tank. Take the cover off. These are the spray heads, which will be spraying the etchant solution onto the board, which will be on the opposite side of the tank. And then if we put the cover back on, take a look at the other side, this will be the cleaning section, which we'll put in after we finish etching it, and this will spray water on the actual board and clean it off completely. So we'll have a nice clean board. Going back, taking a look at the electrical with the wire nuts on them. They'll all reside in this blue gang box up here, which keeps the connections elevated off the ground in case there is any flooding. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you enjoy this Instructable, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks.